video here. So this, what it did is it's doing white coming down a car with the puddle light, which is actually legal. The only color for a glow kit that's legal on the bottom of the car is white, because it's considered like a it's like a welcome light. So if you open your door and you step down, you can see if you're stepping into a pothole to make sure you don't twist your ankle, stuff like that. So that's actually legal. You can drive around like that in New York State. I don't know about other states, but I'm guessing it's the same. So as far as the interior LED trim, I'm guessing I googled it a couple times. I believe it's legal. So that is definitely cool. I've actually never done this before with the car, so this is kind of entertaining for me. It looks a little purple, but it's not. In real life it looks white. It's like everything is moving. Let's get a view from the back. Yeah, this is just a really chill thing to have. Should be able to see it through these are limo tints, so it's kind of blocking it, but in real life you can see it a lot better through the back window, or a little better. It's just these are limo tints, so it's not picking it up too good. So that is definitely pretty cool. I should have been playing some music out here, actually, at least a little bit, but I didn't want to wake anybody up. So what I'll probably do is when I put it in the editing program, I might add some background music just to give it a little, because that's kind of the main thing with this. I mean, one of the best ways to do these kind of LED trim kits, I mean, this is the first time I ever had a movable one where it moves the rectangles, but one of the best things legit is get some music going and match the right kind of music up that kind of vibes good with the, it matches good with the settings, and it really yeah, it really has a unique kind of vibe to it. It's really like, you gotta try it out. It's awesome. So just thinking about that now, because I was driving around with it like this before and I was playing some music and it was really kind of different. Like I never kind of seen that kind of look with any kind of car. I mean, I've been in some faster cars than my car. My car's not the fastest, Genesis Coupe, but it just kind of gives it like a more sportier kind of experience, you know? I don't know if that makes any sense, but it kind of makes it seem like you're going faster than you are. You know, not in a bad way. It doesn't distract you. I mean, definitely, you know, when you're getting used to it, pay attention, keep your eyes on the road, all that, you know. Don't play around with the settings, don't switch the settings while you're driving, just set it and go. But it's definitely kind of has like a video game effect to it. Kind of feels like you're in a video game or something. Just the vibes of it, I don't know. Very futuristic. So if you can, like it, subscribe it, all that. If you want to set up a photo shoot, any car, whatever, any truck, SUV, whatever, I'm trying to collaborate and get some creative ideas, get some photo shoots going. And this, you just kind of got unlimited possibilities with this. I mean, it's definitely not, you know, gonna be the end of my upgrading the car. There's a lot of other things I want to do, but right now this is one that definitely I was happy with. It took a lot of work. I still got a mess here. I got a little bit of wires that I have to hide those, but, and keep in mind this whole thing right here with the white wires here, they're not really lighting up too good. They look a lot brighter in real life, and that's just my tablet here. I just didn't turn it on, it's off. But that changes to any color. The one that wraps around there, that white wire there, the LED, I mean, that goes purple, green, white, orange, blue, anything, red, yellow, every color. I just have it on white right now, just the way I had it. So I wanted to just really give a review on this movable trim kit and The other one is just kind of just a little something off to the side, just a little extra. It's not really needed, but I like it. I just gotta hide the wires. I didn't get to that. Those wires right there, I just gotta hide that under the seat. Those ones. So that's fine. This thing could probably be pretty cool with anybody ever does reflection videos. I know that's big on TikTok and YouTube. You pull up to like a puddle and then you do some nice edits. I'm probably gonna do that sometime soon. Just pop the door all the way open and watch this strip of LED trim just reflecting all off the puddle right under it. It will probably be like a double, everything will be double reflection off to the side of the car. You could see everything doubled, so that would probably be cool. And definitely look for some more videos soon. This video went past 20 minutes, so I'm probably going to keep it under a half hour. Once again, this is not, you know, a music video. This is not, you know, one of my usual videos that I only do 2 or 3 minutes to rack up a lot of views and things. I don't care about a lot of views on here. I'm just making this for some of my friends. If my friends want to see how this works and they want to see a lot of different info and they want to see a lot of different technical things it can do, I'm trying to give a lot on here, because realistically a lot of people I know said they want to get these eventually, so I'm trying to give people some good info. I can't do that in less than a minute or even less than 2 minutes. There's not enough time, so I'm gonna do it less than a half hour. And if you watch it, you watch it. If you want, you can fast forward and rewind it until you see some parts you like, some certain settings you like. But realistically, there's like over 200 different settings on here, so to do all that in like a normal YouTube 1 minute, 2 minute video is just impossible. So I'm gonna have to keep it under half hour. That's been my goal here from the beginning. I'm watching the videotape time here. Still got some minutes left to go. And let's go to this far right menu. This one I haven't gotten into yet at all yet. Oh, all right. These are really cool. This is really video game-ish. It looks like a video game. There's like a little rectangle and it just goes down. It just goes down and around. That is funny. So I guess you could do it, mix and match with it. This is blue and yellow, I guess. And that's red, and that is really dope. Red and blue. I don't know, it just looks like something out of like a sci-fi movie or something. This would be dope for playing a techno album. Put on like a Tiesto album. Little red rectangles just going all around the car for no reason. Just, it's pretty funny to me. Let's see what else they got. So I guess it just mixes and matches every color. Oh, wait. Now they got extra colors going on in there. So this is definitely pretty cool. Legit, this is perfect for what the internet is evolved into. I mean, you could just do so many different ways to brand your page. If you got a TikTok, if you got a Instagram,